Hi, I'm Seng. So today I'll show you how to convert your FeedMe store link into the QR code so that your customer can scan the QR code, order in front of store, or you print it in your voucher or name card. Allow your customer scan and order. Thank you. Go to your laptop or PC or your handphone, go to your browser and log into your FeedMe portal. Then click on here and select setting. Then go to my business and search your outlet. Let's say my outlet is Seng Demo. Click on it, then after that scroll until the bottom. You can customize on your restaurant URL. After that just click copy. If you paste it, it will access to your outlet link for order, pickup, delivery or by queue. Then you want to convert into the QR code, very simple. Go to the website called QR Code Monkey. Under the URL, click on the link and paste it. After that, just click create QR code. Then you can download it or print it out. So next time your customer scan and direct join member or order online. Then in your phone, open the QR code scan apps and scan it. Then will access to the outlet. Furthermore, if you want to share your marketing voucher in QR code, same concept apply. Go to voucher, click on share and you copy the link. Then go to the QR Code Monkey website just now and paste it. Then just create QR code. Then when your customers scan this QR code, automatic they will claim this voucher. That's all for today. Thank you.
So, cari post system, cari Aseng.
Find Guinness Phone, find Aseng.
Aseng.
找 post system, 找 Aseng.